We have one question. First question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? We have a options is, disproportionate reaction takes place for the hydrolysis of xenon tetrafluoride. B option is, in the hydrolysis of phosphorus trichloride, tautomers of phosphoric acid are formed as a final product. In the C option is, in the hydrolysis of nitrogen trichloride forms do not form the hypochlorous acid. In the D option, methane is inert towards the hydrolysis at normal conditions. So let me discuss about the question. In the first option, when xenon tetrafluoride hydrolyzed with water, then they form a xenon gas, xenon trioxide, hydrogen fluoride and oxygen gas. In this reaction, xenon tetrafluoride are simultaneously oxidized and reduced equally. So they form a xenon 0 and xenon 4 compound. So we have this is a correct option. It is not an incorrect option. We are discussing about the B option is B option says that in the hydrolysis of phosphorus trichloride they form phosphoric acid and hydrochloric acid. It means it is in correct option as our question. Now in the option C, nitrogen trichloride when hydrolyzed with water, then they form the ammonia gas and 3 moles of hypochlorous acid. In this option we have to give a hypochlorous acid is not formed, but in our equation, in our solution, hypochlorous acid are found. So it is an incorrect option. And in D option we have to give a methane. In the methane, carbon and hydrogen both are small in size. Carbon and hydrogen both are small in size. So in this methane, carbon are surrounded with a 4 hydrogen atom. So this is inert towards the hydrolysis at normal condition. So it is incorrect option C. In the hydrolysis of nitrogen trichloride, hypochlorous acid is not formed. Hope this is the answer of this question. So we have second question. Choose the correct order of boiling point. We have first option is dihydrogen is less than helium. Second option is boric acid is less than trimethyl borate. Third option is nitrogen trifluoride is less than trimethylamine. And the D option is carbon tetrachloride is less than silicon tetrachloride. Now discuss about the question. First option is dihydrogen is less than helium. Helium is a noble gas or inert gas. Their boiling point are lower than the dihydrogen because dihydrogen forms a single bond in between 2 hydrogen atoms. So their boiling point are larger than helium gas or noble gases. So it is an incorrect option. Now we discuss about the option B. Boric acid is less than trimethyl borate. In this option, their name is trimethyl borate and it is an intermediate compound of the preparation of sodium borohydride. Now their boiling point is 68 to 69 degrees centigrade and their boiling point is 300 degrees centigrade. So it is an incorrect option. Now we are discussing about the C option. In the C option, nitrogen trifluoride, nitrogen are surrounded with the 2 groups. First is fluorine and the second is methyl group. This is a trimethylamine and this is nitrogen trifluoride. In this compound, nitrogen are surrounded with the 3 bulky groups, methyl group. Their molecular mass are high. So nitrogen are surrounded with a bulky group. So their boiling point are larger than the nitrogen trifluoride. In nitrogen, it is surrounded with a highly electronegative element fluorine, which are small in size and they are bulky groups, so their boiling point are larger because the large high energy are required to break the bond in between nitrogen and methyl, and low energy are required to break the bond in between nitrogen and fluorine. So it is an correct option, and the D option is carbon tetrachloride is less than silicon tetrachloride. In the carbon tetrachloride, carbon is surrounded with a 4 chlorine atom, and in the silicon tetrachloride, silicon are surrounded with a 4 chlorine atom. In both the compound, chlorine is a highly electronegative element. Carbon has small in size and silicon has large in size. Due to large size of silicon, they have a larger boiling point, and the CCl4 they have a small, due to small size of carbon they have low boiling point. So the correct option is NF3 is less than trimethylamine. Okay? We have another question. The third question is, which of the following diagram indicate the formation of pi bonds? Now we have 4 options A, B, C and D. Now I give you of information that pi bonds are formed in 3 orbitals, pp orbitals, pd orbitals and dd orbitals. Here forms p pi bond, here forms p pi d pi bonds, and here forms d pi bonds. When parallel overlapping are occurs, then the 5 pi bonds are formed. In the first option, parallel overlapping are formed, then they form a pi bond. In the B option, S and P orbital are overlapped, then it is not a correct option. They do not form a pi bond. In the C option, they have here a parallel overlapping are occurs, then A and C are the correct option. And in the D, parallel overlapping are not occur, so D is the incorrect option. So here we have 2 correct options, A and C, due to parallel overlapping are occurred in both these groups.